Hey, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. Want to show you guys just a real quick, easy way to transfer chemicals off the truck. Hoping next year that we'll have our own shop and just have delivery. But for now, if you guys are getting bleach in bulk, and obviously it's about 500 pounds for a 50-gallon drum, you're not going to be lifting that out of the truck yourself unless you have a forklift. But this is something I put together real quick and easy just to transfer it off the truck into my storage. Let's take a look. All right, guys, I'm using the 12-volt pump. Got my battery and then a pump in the box here. This is something that I kind of redid with the last trailer build video I had. So down here I have a three-way ball valve. So one end goes into the hose reel. That's for when I'm like roof washing. And then here on the other end I have just a little banjo fitting. So instead of running it all the way through the hose reel, you just hit the selector to the banjo fitting, and then it just runs right here into my bleach tank. So as you can see, here's my drop stick. I had to extend it with a garden hose. I know that's not the right way to do it. I'm going to get some chemical resistant hose just to have as a backup, but couldn't get the truck close enough to drop this into the bleach tank. So it just runs up there into the top of the tank, runs through the pump, out the banjo fitting, in my bleach storage. So again, real simple, really easy. I know there's other ways to do this, guys, but this is something that was super simple. I'm not messing with anything on the trailer. I'm keeping everything intact as far as my roof pump, and I'm not having to install another pump just as a transfer pump. So this works. Again, just another tip: get the bleach off the truck into your storage. Hey, have a great day. Bye.